Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make everything bagels. First, activate your yeast by combining 1 1/4 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Then, mix in 3 1/2 cups of bread flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Knead the dough for 10 minutes until smooth. Finally, let it rise in a lightly oiled bowl for 60 to 90 minutes. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal pieces, each weighing about 4 ounces. Roll each piece into a ball, then create a hole in the center, stretching it to 1 1/2 inches wide. Next, bring a large pot of water to a boil, adding 1 tablespoon of malt syrup. Boil each bagel for 60 seconds on each side. This step is crucial for that chewy texture. After boiling, carefully remove the bagels and place them on a wire rack to drain. Prepare an egg wash by whisking 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water. Brush this mixture over each bagel. This helps the seasoning stick and gives them a beautiful golden brown finish. Generously sprinkle your everything bagel seasoning blend onto each bagel. Finally, bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. Once baked, transfer your delicious everything bagels to a wire rack and let them cool completely. This is important for the texture to set properly. Then, slice them open and enjoy with your favorite cream cheese, butter, or any other topping you desire. There's nothing quite like a warm, homemade bagel. For more great kitchen tips and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, plus other amazing deals, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.